This was the second book I had published. Anyway, it's a forgotten country, because when I got here, Port Talbot, this area, are kind of forgotten. Everybody knows about Cardiff and Merthyr and mining and so on, but they don't know about this part of the world, either its beauty or the astonishing richness of the heritage and so on. My name is Sally Roberts-Jones. I'm 88 years old. I'm London Welsh by origin. I've always thought of myself as Welsh. And I've been living in Port Talbot, I think it's 57 years now. In the August of 1966, I was invited to come to Port Talbot to take part in a poetry reading in the walnut trees. Back to London, looked for a job, and the first one that came up was in North Wales. So I worked really hard getting my sort of CV and everything else to send to them, sent it off. And anyway, I went up to Holyhead to see my grandmother, came back down, thought, well, you know, there's another job advertised in Port Talbot, I think I'll just cover it in case, so I shoved something in quick. And anyway, I'd heard from Port Talbot, come down, had my interview, got the job, and started work before I heard from North Wales. So I was obviously meant to come here, and I've never gone away. Learning the difference between Wales and England, because I grew up as a child, because the war was on and so on, in a sort of middle-class suburb in London. Then you come to Wales and you come to a community. And when you think about it, the people I've known, the connections, I'd never have known anybody on that kind of level or type or whatever in England. If I could describe Port Talbot as a person, it would be somebody who was knowledgeable or anxious to have knowledge, to know more, ambitious and friendly, welcoming. I've never been made to feel an outsider.